Hey guys, Nobu here. Today I want to show you guys how to make upgraded soy sauce. What's the mean by upgraded soy sauce is? This is ordinary soy sauce which I usually get from supermarket. And you can easily find this brand which is called Kikkoman, and this brand soy sauce anywhere all over the US. Even in this ordinary supermarket. But what's the mean by upgraded soy sauce is, let me show you the example. This is some upgraded soy sauce. What I call is upgraded soy sauce, because how to make this is basically you use soy sauce and some bonito flake and other kelp or dried anchovie to soak and let those flavor out, so umami is melting into this. So today I'm basically gonna show you how to make this. The flavor itself, it's not gonna be exactly same as this, but you can somehow reach the level of this flavor. And I don't suggest, if you don't like fish, I always like to keep the special soy sauce in my fridge because I really like fish flavor, and it's easier, much easier than not ordinary soy sauce, because I cook a lot of ramen and fried rice, and when I do that, I don't want to use MSG or some kind of powder shape. I want to use organic flavor. So that's the reason why I want to keep the fish flavored or umami flavored soy sauce in my ordinary storage. Okay, now let's move into how to make it. In the beginning, you need to prepare a small pot. Not small, but like I wanna aim to like 500 milliliters. So around this size pot is good for me to make it. Let's move into what I need. First, I need some dried anchovy. I always keep it in fridge, because if you keep it outside, they're going to lose the flavor. I'm about to put in half size of this. Then you pour some soy sauce into it. And after this, you let this sit for around maybe 4 hours, 5 hours. I usually do this at night, but today I'm making it in the morning. I recommend you to seal it because you don't want any dust to go in. But in the end, you will use some kitchen paper or something to filter it. So basically, you don't need to worry about the dust. But I just want to keep it clean. So I use some saran wrap or something like this to keep dust to go in. Hey, I totally forgot to say, I really like Shiitake, because Shiitake has a lot of umami, and when it's dried, you need to put the Shiitake umami beforehand too. So before I forget, I'm gonna do it now. The way you put it in, you can just put it in, but what I like to do is just rip apart to make it smaller so they can soak easier. Okay guys, so this is a day later, and I let the dried anchovy and the dried shiitake soaked in soy sauce for 1 day, so their flavor is out in soy sauce. Now what we're gonna do is try to boil them. Let's check it out. So this is the soy sauce with dried anchovy and dried shiitake. They're soaked in. Now I'm just gonna put it on high heat to make it start boiling. Once they start boiling, you need to stop the fire. While I'm boiling this soy sauce will help you kill the unnecessary bacteria so you can store them for longer time. And also they are going to extract more umami flavor from this ingredient I'm using. Okay, now they start to boiling. You should let them at least boil a little bit. Like that. But don't let them come out. So once they are almost coming out, just leave it. Take it out from the heat. Why you need to evaporate like this? It's because you are going to kill some unnecessary bacteria from here, and also the flavor will come out more. Once it becomes like that, you would wait a little bit to make it settle. Okay, now they are boiling, and as soon as they start boiling, you stop the heat. And now they are still hot. Right now I'm gonna put some bonito flake. I would usually put like 2 cups for this, but I'm not gonna measure. I usually just put it the amount I think is around that much. Okay, this is about 2 cups. So now what you're gonna do is let them sit for like this. Make sure to make the all bonito flake is soaked like that. Now you wait for 1 to 2 minutes and drain them into whatever jar you want to use. While we're waiting for the bonito flakes to transfer the flavor into soy sauce, I'm going to introduce what I'm going to use to drain soy sauce. So this is the jar I'm going to use for my original special soy sauce, and I use coffee drip to drip out the all unnecessary stuff. And I don't use coffee filter, I use kitchen paper. How I'm gonna use it: so you take out like square kitchen paper, fold it half, and fold it another half, and there's a fold, you can spread it like that. You can just put it in like this. So basically this is gonna filter in everything, like smaller piece of anchovy fish or smaller piece of dried mushroom or bonito flake, all into here, and all the liquid is go down here, so you can use your liquid like right away. Okay, now it's time, so let's drain some soy sauce. It's full. Apparently I made a little bit too much, but it's okay. I'm gonna store in some smaller Tupperware. But yeah, this is how I make my special soy sauce. But while it's hot, do not screw the cap, because they're going to have some steam coming out, and then that steam is gonna become water, and then water is gonna drip down and make soy sauce bad. So wait them until it's cold, and then cover it and then store it in fridge. Alright guys, how was the video today? Today's video, I was mainly showing you how to make this Japanese special soy sauce, which is called Dashi-Jyouyu. If you're in Japan, you can easily buy Dashi-Jyouyu in any store, but like a countryside like Maine in America, you can hardly find, unless you go to like closest city, Portland or Boston, you need to find this soy sauce. So I hope you guys enjoyed the process of making this soy sauce. If you want to try to make it, I will put some ingredient on the description below, so you can go check and then buy those ingredient. I fully recommend you to use kombu because kombu makes really good flavor. But if you don't have kombu, you can just do same recipe as I do. But if you had a bonito flake or anchovy, dried anchovy, that's basically get you really tasty flavor. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And also, if you want to make this soy sauce, please let me know in the comment that how it goes and how you like it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in next video. Okay, I almost forgot to say, this bonito flake from here, you can save it for your, if you, I don't know, you know about Japanese rice bowl or something, you can use this bonito flake for your rice bowl, which is called okaka, and that's really tasty. So you basically make, before you make rice bowl, you just have handful of rice and then put this inside of rice bowl, and then you make rice bowl. You can make okaka onigiri, which is okaka rice bowl. Okaka is flavored bonito flake. So what I usually do is, after I take umami flavor from this into my soy sauce, I just take out all the bonito flake for my okaka onigiri, because why not? It's a lot, and if you just throw it, it's full of waste. You don't need to use anchovy because anchovy is little bitter when you eat it. It's a little bitter, so it's about preference, because I don't really like anchovy by eating itself. Okay, now you will have okaka, and this is going to be garbage. If you want to try this anchovy, you can try, because it's not bad, but it's only just a little bit of bitter. And dried anchovy has a lot of calcium and protein and stuff, so basically it's healthy. But since you soaked with soy sauce, which contains a lot of sodium, so you need to be careful how much you can eat it, because high sodium food will cause high blood pressure, so you need to be careful how much you take it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Peace.